Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Y. If managing money feels complicated or out of reach, listen up. truality.wallet.me is your free, all-in-one finance app, built to make your life easier, not harder. With truality.wallet.me, you can track balances at a glance, manage bills in one place, set realistic spending goals, and actually see your daily progress. Get instant updates and personal tips that fit you. Don't get lost juggling accounts or guessing where your cash went. Your wallet should work the way you live, simple and in your hands, with privacy and security you can count on. Always free, no tricks. For deeper insights and exclusive updates, you can subscribe to our community, but the app is and will stay 100% free to use. Want more than a finance app? With truality.wallet.me, you help shape the features. We want your feedback, your real experience, and your voice to make this the tool you need most. This is your app, your future. We're just here to help. Ready to finally feel in control? truality.wallet.me has launched. Visit truality.Finance to subscribe and unlock free access as of right now. Make your money work for you. truality.wallet.me, where trust, reality, and your future meet.